Welcome to the Interactive Commerce Country Chart tool on BIS.gov. This interactive tool pulls regulatory text directly from Supplement Number 1 to Part 738 of the EAR from the Electronic Code of Federal Regulations and is refreshed hourly. The BIS website team created this interactive tool to assist exporters in searching for specific countries and to identify the applicable reasons for control. To use this interactive tool, you can scroll through the list of countries to review their associated reasons for control via the sticky heading rows. If you have specific destinations in mind, click on the Select Countries box and start typing the name of the countries that you would like to export to. You can select one to many countries to see their associated reasons for control. Once you have made your selection, click the Show Results button to see a condensed view of the Commerce Country Chart. Within this view, you can click on a country name to open and read the associated footnotes. If you'd like to adjust the countries you are reviewing, you can remove them one by clicking the X next to the country name. If you'd like to start over, you can click the Reset button to navigate back to the default view for the Interactive Commerce Country Chart tool. If you prefer to view the Commerce Country Chart as an Excel or PDF, click on the Export button to download your preferred file type to your computer. We are excited for you to try it out and provide feedback on future improvements we can make to ensure commonly used supplements are user-friendly and consumable by all. This is the first iteration of the Interactive Commerce Country Chart tool. As you interact with this page and find yourself thinking about additional features that would improve your experience, please share with the BIS website team. You can contact us at biswebsiteteam@bis.doc.gov.